Hello everyone. Today we are going to run DeepSeek R1 large language model in our computer locally without any GPU. Let's go to the Open Web UI repository. Open Web UI GitHub. And let's go to this page. Yes, this is the Open Web UI repository. In the README, we will go to the installation and OpenWebUI use Docker, and we are especially interested in uh, Ollama. Install OpenWebUI bundle with Ollama support, and my computer doesn't have a GPU, so I will use CPU version. But if you have a dedicated GPU in your computer, please go ahead with the GPU version of the Docker run command. I have the Docker run command in my clipboard. You can paste this command and run this command without any modification. But I will just try to explain this Docker run command with the Docker run double dash help. So first I will run Docker run double dash help and then paste this command. This is Docker run dash D. Dash D means detach Docker container in the background, run container in the background, and print container ID. That is the meaning of P and dash P. This is dash simple P. So there is a capital P as well. So in the simple P, publish a container ports or port to the host. That means this dash simple P will map the host computer port 3000 to the Docker container port 8080. Dash V means bind mount a volume. This will bind the volume. First dash V command, second dash V command, uh, then the name of the container. You can use any name. I will just use OpenWebUI Ollama because this is not only WebUI, but Ollama is also included. This is double dash restart. I don't want to restart always, so I will just remove this double dash restart always parameter. And this is the Docker, and this is the version. We know after the colon, version should be mentioned. Ollama is the version. In this case, version is not a number, it's string. Press enter. Now the Docker is up and running, but it will take some time to download this image to your system. I have already used this Docker image previously, so it is already in my Docker image repository. You can see this is a 11.32 gigabyte image. Now let's go inside the Docker container and download the DeepSeek R1 model. Docker, yes, this is the name. Docker seek execute IT interaction TTY. Then the name of the Docker container and bash. Now we are inside the Docker container and Ollama is already installed. Let's see Ollama. have. See, we can see the commands for Ollama. I will just uh, go to the Ollama website. Ollama. You can download Ollama and run separately without using Docker. That we will cover in a different video, but in this video, we are using the Docker container to run Ollama. We are interested in DeepSeek R1, and here we have the DeepSeek R1. And since my computer is very basic computer, I will go with the 1.5 billion um, parameters, and this is the Ollama run command. You might notice that Ollama commands are very similar to Docker commands. Paste and enter. Now it will download the DeepSeek R1 1.5 billion parameter large language model into the Docker container and run. I am running this DeepSeek R1 LLM in a basic Intel i5 computer with 8 GB RAM and no GPU. That's why I went with 1.5B version. But if you have better hardware, you can go with 7B or higher version of the R1. Now the download is complete and it's up and running. We have DeepSeek R1 model in CLI version. But we can see the real beauty of the DeepSeek R1 model from the browser using OpenWebUI. Now let's go to the uh, local host port 3000, and now we can see our web UI. And here I will enter just a name. Okay, this will be your admin account. You can choose the model from here. Let's say hi first. Okay, it works. Let's ask some question related to programming. In R1 model, you can even see the reasoning behind the answers, the thinking pattern of the model. Okay, now you can enjoy DeepSeek R1 model in your computers locally. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next video.